So using the crop tool, so give a ratio of 1:5 under 2, then apply crop. So once it is done, so go to selection tool, unlock your layer, so edit, define pattern. Okay. So once it is done, file, create a new document with 1200 pixels and 800 pixels, then create. So then apply new pattern. So click on the pattern, choose. So choose the pattern, what kind of pattern you need. So here I am using passport size photo. Then okay. So then scale it. So here for this document I can use 8 number of copies. So click.